The access to different stories is unprecedented in our time. And understand that the job you're about to do, making stories, building worlds, filtering realities, is just an extension of what everybody should get to do in their lives. Play.
My first big gig was as a location support trainee making minimum wage on a Hollywood movie set. My job description, guarding a generator in the freezing cold at 4 a.m. Now, if you've never questioned your life choices in the middle of an existential crisis while protecting a diesel engine, let me tell you, it's very humbling. The point is, you might not land your dream role right away. You might take detours through jobs you didn't plan for. The detours are the point.
And look around at your fellow graduates. These classmates are now your colleagues and part of your professional network. The friendships that you have made here will be every bit as valuable as what you have learned.
We have graduates from many different programs celebrating this achievement today. While we may have studied different creative mediums, be it film, acting, screenwriting, video games, or graphic design, we are all united by our creativity, passion, and love for storytelling.
It really speaks to what all of the actors do in the program, which is they're writing, they're direct, here they are, they're producing, they're acting, they're doing everything.
Like, it was nerve-wracking. That was very nerve-wracking, but even though it's in front of our parents, but I think it was just very prideful, a very nice moment for everybody to just see what we've accomplished, and it was really fun to see all my friends dudded up and all beautiful.
It was amazing to be able to build up an entire brand identity. I really enjoyed that, and it was nice with all my classes being able to put my Inuit culture in my work as well.
Well, I'm 2 terms into the BCA program at Yorkville, and the trajectory is already looking so strong. I'm so grateful that now I'm able to focus on the business side of creativity. The creative depth of my ideas with my music video production company, Martian Mail, has expanded so much. I'm learning so much new knowledge about how to operate this and how to reach new audiences, so I'm very excited.
Talk to lots of people, because what you walk away from is a really good network and friends that will help you way after the program finishes.
But now they've found their passion. I met some of the families today, and they're saying how engaged they are and how much they love what they're doing now. And I don't know, it's just great to hear these stories and feel like I've had some kind of impact.
There was never any option. She's been creative from day one, and it was nice to see her find a passion that she was able to channel that creativity into.
It also turned out to be one of the most rewarding and challenging experiences I've ever done, but I would do it all over again in a heartbeat if I had to.
So here you are, graduates. You've cleared the tutorial, you've beaten the final boss. Now you're loading up into the open world, an industry that is unpredictable, wild, turbulent, often buggy, but full of possibility. So congratulations, class of 2025. Now go out there and prove to your parents that playing video games was career research. Thank you very much.